Hello students, welcome to Jitendra Khandelwal chemistry classes. Today only we are just going to study about the reversible work done by the system in a reversible process. As far as reversible process is concerned, it proceeds infinitely slowly by a series of equilibrium states such that the system and surroundings are always in near equilibrium with each other. For finding out the work done reversibly by the system, we will have to divide the whole PV curve into thin strips, and along the curve, the area of these thin strips we will have to be find out, so that the total amount of work done by the system may be calculated. We can relate the work to internal pressure of the system under reversible condition by writing the equation W reversible is equal to minus integral of Vi to Vf P external multiplied by dV is equals to, now we will just have to put the value of P external as P internal plus minus dP into dV, Vi to Vf P internal multiplied by dV plus minus dP into dV, Vf Vi to Vf dP into dV is very negligible. That is why it is neglected in the equation, and the final equation may be written as W reversible is equal to minus Vi to integral of Vi to Vf P internal multiplied by dV for n moles of ideal gas PV is equal to nRT. So we can put the value of P in the following equation is equal to nRT upon V. So W reversible will be equals to minus Vi to Vf nRT dV upon V, or minus nRT dV upon V Vi to Vf dV upon V integral Vi to Vf is equal to ln of Vf upon Vi. So we can write the W reversible is equal to nRT ln of V by Vf upon Vi इज इक्वल्स टू, अब ln को जब हम log 10 की बेस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे बच्चों, तो यहाँ पर 2.303 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, W रिवर्सिबल इज इक्वल्स टू 2.303 nRT log Vf upon Vi. So this is the here one important kind of thing you have to keep in your mind. Minus sign denotes that the amount of that by to do the work done by the system in this process will be the system will utilize, the system will absorb the energy equivalent to the work done by the system from the internal energy of the system. So the same amount of energy equivalent to the work done by the system will decrease from the internal energy, and that is why we will just be putting the minus sign here only. A reversible process is the process which proceeds infinitely slowly by a series of equilibrium states such that the system and surroundings are always in near equilibrium with each other. हमेशा मतलब कोई भी प्रोसेस इनफाइनाइटली बहुत छोटे छोटे स्मॉल स्टेप्स में होती है, और जो प्रोसेस बहुत सी स्मॉल स्टेप्स में कन्वर्ट होती है, और इस तरह से होती है कि सिस्टम और सराउंडिंग दोनों नियर इक्विलिब्रियम में रहते हैं, यानी उनकी जो मैक्रोस्कोपिक वेरिएबल्स की जो वैल्यू होगी वो टाइम के साथ साथ चेंज नहीं होती है. तो उस प्रकार के सिस्टम को, उस प्रकार की प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, और इस प्रकार के सिस्टम को हम बोलेंगे रिवर्सिबल सिस्टम. As far as the work done by the system in reversible process, we will have to divide the whole PV curve into thin strips of rectangular strips, and we will have to find out the work done by the system by finding the area of these kind of strips. We can relate the work done by the system to the internal pressure of the system under reversible condition by writing the equation. We can relate the work done by the system to the internal pressure of the system by writing the following equation. W reversible is equal to minus Vi to Vf external multiplied by dV. अभी ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि जब हम ना सिस्टम को इंटरनली बहुत से छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, इन्फिनिटली वेरी स्लोली हम कोई भी वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो उस कंडीशन में W रिवर्सिबल जो होगा प्राप्त करने के लिए हमें P एक्सटर्नल dV को हमको इंटीग्रल लिमिट्स में डिवाइड करके उसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो माइनस W रिवर्सिबल इज इक्वल टू माइनस Vi to Vf P एक्सटर्नल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय dV माइनस Vi to Vf P इंटरनल प्लस माइनस dP into dV Vi to Vf P इंटरनल into dV प्लस माइनस dP into dV Vi to Vf. So dP into dV is very negligible here. That is why it will be neglected from the equation. So the equation may be written as W reversible is equal to minus Vi to Vf, P internal into dV. For n moles of an ideal gas, we can put the equation PV is equal to nRT. So the value of P can be substituted from this equation as nRT upon V. This value, when the value of P when it will be put it in the following equation, W reversible will become minus Vi to Vf integral nRT dV upon V. We know Vi to Vf dV upon V is equals to ln of V. That is why the final equation can be written as minus nRT ln of Vf upon Vi. ln of Vf upon Vi को जब हम log 10 की बेस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 2.303 से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा इक्वेशन को, तो W रिवर्सिबल will become equals to 2.323 nRT log Vf upon Vi. Change free expansion of ideal gas. Now we are just going to study about the free expansion of an ideal gas. As far as free expansion of ideal gas is concerned, the expansion which actually takes place in the vacuum only. In the vacuum, the ideal gas will freely expand in such a way that the process is done. Sudden expansion of the ideal gas will take place. In this kind of free expansion of ideal gas, P external will be equals to 0. So the work done by the system will be W is equals to P delta V is equals to 0 multiplied by delta V is equals to 0. And since the expansion is taking place, the expansion of ideal gas is taking place in the vacuum. That is why sudden change is taking place of the system. As a result of it, the amount of heat absorbed by the system, as well as the amount of heat released from the system will be 0. That is why we will just be putting Q is equals to 0 here. Delta U will be equals to 0. Now, one important kind of thing we also want to tell you about the yes, student, we are just going to study about the free expansion of ideal gas. As far as free expansion of ideal gas is concerned, in the free expansion of ideal gas, the expansion of ideal gas will take place in the vacuum. As far as free expansion of an ideal gas is concerned, expansion of ideal gas will take place under the vacuum. Under the vacuum, when the ideal gas will get expanded, P external will be equals to 0. So the work done by the ideal gas will be 0 only, because P external is equals to 0 here. Also, the expansion of ideal gas will take place under the sudden expansion of ideal gas will take place under the free expansion of ideal gas. That is why Q amount of heat released by the system or absorbed by the system will also be equals to 0. So delta U will be 0. So, or work done in free expansion of an ideal gas, either it is reversible or irreversible, work done will always be 0. If a process is carried out, another kind of concept we just have to tell you here is, if the process is carried out at constant volume, the amount of heat supplied to the system will be known as equals to change in the internal energy of the system. Delta U is equals to QV. QV is the amount of heat which actually is supplied to the system at constant volume. Now we are just going to study about the isothermal and free expansion of an ideal gas. We have already told you this kind of thing. Under the free expansion of an ideal gas, the heat exchange from the system to surrounding or surrounding to system is 0. That is why Q will be 0. Here also the work done by the system will also be 0, क्योंकि free expansion of ideal gas में आइडियल गैस का एक्सपेंशन जो होता है बच्चों वो वैक्यूम में होता है. वैक्यूम में P इक्वल्स टू 0 पुट करते हैं तो P एक्सटर्नल मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेल्टा P इक्वल्स टू 0 होगा. That is why delta U will also be 0. That means we can say free expansion of an ideal gas is the isothermal change only. The another important kind of thing we just want to tell you regarding the isothermal, reversible, irreversible and reversible change. The work done in isothermal, reversible, irreversible change. Isothermal में हमने आपको बता दिया delta U will be 0 होगा. और डेल्टा यू इज इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पर 0 है हमारे पास, तो वी कैन से Q विल बी इक्वल्स टू माइनस डब्ल्यू, और माइनस डब्ल्यू है तो P एक्सटर्नल मल्टीप्लाइड बाई वी एफ माइनस वी आई, दैट मीन्स वी कैन से that the heat is absorbed by the system, and the heat मतलब whatever the amount of work is done by the system, equivalent amount of heat will be absorbed by the system from the equivalent heat of the system will be utilizing in doing the work only. That is why इतने अमाउंट से एनर्जी हो जाएगी कम हो जाएगी, लेकिन इतनी अमाउंट क्योंकि हमने स्टडी किया है यहाँ पर डेल्टा यू इज इक्वल टू 0 है, इसलिए हम क्या कहेंगे यहाँ पर इतनी अमाउंट की हीट जो सिस्टम सराउंडिंग से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा, सो दैट इसका टेम्परेचर जो है वो कांस्टेंट बना रहे. इन द सेम वे वी कैन आल्सो टेल अबाउट द इरिवर्सिबल आइसोथर्मल इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस में भी सिस्टम के द्वारा जितना वर्क किया जाएगा उतने अमाउंट से हीट क्या की जाएगी, इतने अमाउंट की हीट सिस्टम जो है अपनी इंटरनल एनर्जी से यूटिलाइज कर लेगा. लेकिन हमने बताया डेल्टा यू इज इक्वल टू 0 है यहाँ पर, दैट इज में इतने ही अमाउंट की हीट जो सिस्टम है वो सराउंडिंग से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा, सो दैट द Q विल बिकम माइनस 2.303 log वी एफ अपन वी आई. मतलब ये इतने अमाउंट से सिस्टम इतने अमाउंट का वर्क करके और सिस्टम की इंटरनल एनर्जी को उतने ही अमाउंट से डिक्रीज कर देगा. डिक्रीज लेकिन हो नहीं सकती, क्यों नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि डेल्टा यू इक्वल टू 0 है, तो इतने ही अमाउंट का इक्विवेलेंट अमाउंट ऑफ हीट विल बी एब्जॉर्ब बाय द सिस्टम टू सराउंडिंग एंड सराउंडिंग टू सिस्टम एज वेल. Now we are just going to study about the adiabatic changes. As far as adiabatic changes are concerned, the heat absorbed by the system will be 0, or heat exchange from the system to surrounding or surrounding to system is equals to 0. That is why change in internal energy of the system will be equals to the work done by the system or done on the system. Now we are just going to study about one of the numerical problems, so that it may be possible for you to understand about how isothermally the work is done by the system, or how the heat is absorbed by the system. It may be clear from this kind of example very easily. The example is 2 liters of an ideal gas at a pressure of 10 atm expands isothermally into vacuum with until its total volume is 10 liters. How much heat is absorbed and how much work done in the system? So first of all, very important kind of thing, students, we just want to tell you what that is. Ki while the free expansion of an ideal gas is taking place, so temperature of the system will remain constant. As a result of it, the change in the internal energy of the system will be 0. To be according to mathematical statement of thermodynamic first law, thermodynamic first law, delta U is equals to 0. तो Q plus W is equals to 0 और Q is equals to minus W is equals to यहाँ पर क्या W का वैल्यू क्या हो गया, P एक्सटर्नल मल्टीप्लाइड बाई डेल्टा V 10 माइनस 2. यहाँ पर हमने आपको बताया P एक्सटर्नल 0 था क्योंकि फ्री एक्सपेंशन है, तो 10 माइनस 8 is equals to 8, तो ये 0 into 8 is equals to 0. That is why the heat absorbed by the system as well as work done by the system will be 0. Under the isothermal free expansion of ideal gas, the work done by the system will be 0. That is why the heat absorbed by the system or heat released from the system will also be equals to 0. Now we are just showing another kind of example related to this problem. Is another kind of problem related to this concept. We are having another problem, that is consider the same expansion but this time a constant external pressure of 180. तो इस कंडीशन में वर्क जो डन किया जाएगा सिस्टम की तरफ वो W इज इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा माइनस P का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 180 m और मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 10 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 8 लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर. इतने अमाउंट के वर्क किया जाएगा सिस्टम के द्वारा, इसलिए उसकी एनर्जी भी इतने अमाउंट से कम हो जाएगी. सिस्टम की इंटरनल एनर्जी जो होगी इतने ही अमाउंट से कम हो जाएगी, 8 लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर. दैट इज व्हाई वी जस्ट हैव पुट हियर माइनस साइन बिफोर द 8 लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर. ये शो करता है माइनस साइन, ये शो करता है बच्चों की ताकि कि इतने अमाउंट का हीट, जितना वर्क डन किया गया है सिस्टम की द्वारा, उतने ही अमाउंट से सिस्टम की इंटरनल एनर्जी कम हो जाएगी. Consider the same expansion to a final volume of 10 liters conducted reversibly. Solution of this problem is like the problem we have previously studied, but in this case the formula will be different. That is, the work done conducted reversibly, the work done will be equals to minus 2.303. Consider the same expansion to a final volume of 10 liters conducted reversibly. In this case, the formula for finding out the work done by the system will a little bit different from the formula we have already used. In this case, the formula will be used as W is equal to minus 2.303 log 10 Vf upon Vi is equals to minus 2.303 log 10 upon 2. तो ये हो जाएगा 2.303 log 5, log 10 5. अब log 10 5 की वैल्यू लेकर के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए आंसर वी विल जस्ट बी गेटिंग एज 16.1 लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर. Now please like, share and subscribe the video. In the next class we will just be studying about rest of the concepts regarding thermodynamics. God bless, good day, God bless to all of you.